DMARC Office 365, How to Set Up and Secure Your Email System. Warmy blog. Discover how to boost your email security by configuring DMARC in Office 365. Our video elaborates on safeguarding your emails from phishing and spoofing with DMARC. A DMARC policy consists of several key components that help specify how an email should be handled when it fails authentication checks. These components include Policy P, Subdomain Policy, SP, DKIM and SPF alignment modes, reporting options. Before implementing DMARC in Office 365, ensure SPF and DKIM are configured to verify authorized servers and secure outgoing emails. Access your domain's DNS settings to modify records and use a DMARC record generator for accuracy. Start with a none policy to monitor effects and set up email addresses to receive DMARC reports for analysis and adjustments. Step-by-step guide to setting up DMARC in Office 365. Step 1. Access DNS management. Log into your domain registrar's control panel to manage your domain's DNS records. Step 2. Create a DMARC TXT record. In the DNS management area, you need to create a new TXT record. The name host field should be set to _DMARC. Yourdomain.com, replacing yourdomain.com with your actual domain. The value of this TXT record is where you'll define your DMARC policy. Step 3. Configure DMARC policy settings. The value of the TXT record will include your DMARC policy. You can choose from Step 4. Publish the DMARC record in your DNS. Publish the DMARC TXT record in your DNS settings. Once activated, receiving servers will use this record to handle emails from your domain that fail SPF and DKIM checks. Troubleshooting common DMARC issues in Office 365. Incorrect DMARC record syntax. Issue errors in DMARC syntax may lead to it being ignored by servers. Fix verify syntax starts with $DMARC1 and semicolon placement. Use online tools for validation. SPF and DKIM alignment. Issue. DMARC fails if SPF and DKIM are not aligned with the from address domain. Fix. Include all sending servers in SPF records and ensure DKIM signatures match the from address domain, $. Starting with a strict DMARC policy, issue. A reject policy may disrupt legitimate email flow if configurations are incomplete. Fix. Begin with a none policy to monitor email processing. Transition to quarantine or reject once all legitimate emails pass DMARC checks. Warmy.io offers a free DMARC record generator, streamlining DMARC setup for improved email security. Additionally, it provides essential tools like an email deliverability test and SPF record generator to optimize email management effectively and at no cost. Just a quick reminder before you go, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay updated on all our upcoming releases.